Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to update audio sound level in the Stand PCR laptop. First we want to update audio sound level in the Stand PCR laptop. So very easy. First click on Start, type here Computer Management. Click on Device Manager. Device Manager. After click on Sound, Video and Game Controls. If you want to update, so right click on Update. Click on Update Level. After click on Search automatically default level. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to update audio sound level Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for latest updates.